Learning German Pronouns in Dative Case. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll delve into personal pronouns in the dative case. If you're unfamiliar with personal pronouns, check out Lesson 11 in our video series. And for a quick refresher on dative case, refer to Lesson 32, Understanding Personal Pronouns in Dative. Before we dive into each personal pronoun in the dative case, let's understand how to use them through an example. Consider the sentence, Das ist Michelle. Michelle ist mein Freund. But to avoid repetition, we say, Was ist mein Freundin, sie geht Michelle einsko Kleid. Here, sie is the pronoun for Michelle, indicating the indirect object. First person singular, nominative, ich. Dative, mir. Example, Hi, ich bin Maria. Gibst du mir einsko Kleid? I. Accusative, me. Dative. Second person informal, nominative, du. Dative, der. Example, Anna, ich gebe dir einsko Kleid. You. Accusative, to you. Dative. Second person formal, nominative, sie. Dative, innen. Example, Herr Schmidt, ich gebe Ihnen einsko Kleid. Mr. Schmidt, to you. Formal, dative. Third person masculine, nominative, Dative, im. Example, Das ist Michael, gibt ihm einsko Kleid. He, to him. Dative. Third person feminine, nominative, sie. Dative, ihr. Example, Das ist Michaela, sie gibt ihr einsko Kleid. She, to her. Dative. Third person neuter, nominative, es. Dative, im. Example, Das ist mein Kind, es gibt ihm einsko Kleid. It, to it him. Dative. First person plural, nominative, were. Dative, uns. Example, wir sind Samantha und Mike. Jet uns einsko Kleid. We, to us. Dative. Second person formal plural, nominative, sie. Dative, innen. Example, Marie und Tobias, ich gebe ihnen einsko Kleid. You all, to you all. Formal, dative. Third person plural, nominative, sie. Dative, innen. Example, Das sind Petra und Jürgen. Sie geben ihnen einsko Kleid. They, to them. Dative. Recap and tips. Dative pronouns for l and es are the same, im. In the second person informal, du becomes der, and in the second person formal, sie becomes innen. Remember to capitalize I, in, innen, and ihr. Congratulations! You've now learned how to use personal pronouns in the dative case. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Dank for watching.